it's cold. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and it's Christmas. Well, actually it's already been Christmas by this point. I heard something in my nose. Every year I like to hop on the bandwagon and do a what I got for Christmas. I know a lot of people don't like these videos, and I'm not going to bore you with the normal boring disclaimer because honestly I'm over it. Let's leave disclaimers in 2019. Don't like these videos, or you think I'm trying to brag or I'm trying to boast, then you can click off. I don't mind, that's okay. You can just miss out on this one, but you're missing out on a bit of fun, let me tell you. I love watching these videos around Christmas time because when family and friends are asking what I want, I find them useful for ideas, but then I also actually find them really useful for ideas for other people. So without further ado, let's get started, baby. Also, I'm wearing red lipstick. I never wear red lipstick. Who is she? You me and you me, all that. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is actually a lovely gift from my babes at PLT. You guys know I do a lot of work with PLT. I love them so much as a brand. They are so nice to work with. Honestly, one of the easiest brands I've ever worked with in my life. They're so liberal. They always let me say what I want to say. Like, I'm never forced into anything. And surely if you're watching, I doubt you will be because I'm sure you're very busy, you know, doing festive things with your friends and family. Thank you so much for all the work that you've brought me this year, because I honestly love you so much. I got sent this beautiful package from PLT. It's a little Christmas present. This was actually inside an order, actually. PLT shower cap. Ooh, absolutely stunning L1. In this little package I got a gorgeous it's got my name. I didn't even realise this. I thought it was just a PLT flask, but it's got my name on it. Wow, you really didn't need to boost my ego anymore. That was a joke. I know I am not special. It also has these gorgeous little silk satiny pajamas, like little pajama shorts. Oh, I love it. I'm not worthy of this. And a lovely hot water bottle. Next gift I got was from my nan, and it's actually a White Company wind candle. I actually already have one. Apparently I already have one burning over on the side over there, but I only got a small one, and I really wanted the big one because, oh my god, if you could put Christmas into a candle, it would be this. And I am a little slut for candles. Talking of candles, my boyfriend's parents, they are so lovely. They also got me a candle, and it is a natural light peony candle. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It comes in this beautiful copper jar and smells like peonies. Shock, I know. I just love candles so much. I really am that girl. Next present I got was from my parents. It was actually the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. I'll never forget that time. Olivia. If you guys watched Olivia Grace's American Haul and she called it something else, I was literally oh dear. You guys know I love my gloss in Gloss Bomb. It is my favourite gloss ever. It's literally lip injections in a lip gloss, and this one is just as beautiful. I really wanted it, but I just kind of never got round to buying it. As you guys can see, it's just beautiful, so glossy. More of a pinky shade, which I feel like could be quite fun. I always love pink with a tan. Next thing I got was this Air France vest. I saw this on the website. I really loved it. I thought it was so cool. I'm just really getting into like my neutral tones. I feel like I'm kind of getting a little bit better. I mean, I hope I am, with my fashion, and I love like kind of nude browns, neutrals, especially with a pair of jeans. I just thought it would be so universal. It's really cool. It's got like little holes. I'm going to shut up about it because you can see. Love it, thank you. I'm actually going to go through my stocking because I got some absolute bangers in my stocking this year. In fact, it even came in a pillowcase, the beloved sloth pillowcase, which I get so many questions on. It's from Urban Outfitters, by the way. First thing I got was a salted caramel and vanilla reed diffuser from the Body Shop. I am a fiend for anything sweet. I could eat sweet food 24/7, so Emma, you did good. I then also got this Keeper's Handcrafted Spirits Salted Caramel and British Honey Vodka. Do I need to say anything more? Let's just say New Year's Eve is going to be interesting. I got some ES France socks in a baby blue colour. Baby blue is my favourite colour. I got this massive like Lindor ball, but as you can see, I got a little bit excited yesterday and half of them are gone. I got some lemon dime bars, which once again got a little bit excited. I got this gorgeous Japanese cherry blossom perfume from the Body Shop, which literally smells like a dream. The bottle is so cute as well. Oh my god, yes, give it to me. Oh, what in my mouth. I got some matchmakers. Is it really Christmas if you don't have matchmakers? Oh, I also got a chocolate orange, but it's half opened on the side over there. I got some... I just yeeted a pair of pants across my room. Ooh, okay. I got these little shampoo and conditioners from the Body Shop in the scent banana, and I bloody love a banana. I am so obsessed with banana scents. Like, they're actually my favourite thing in the world. Oh my god. I want every room I walk into to be filled with the sweet scent of banana, and everyone go, do you smell bananas? And I can go, oh sorry, it's just my shampoo. I also got a moringa shower gel. Moringa? I don't know how you pronounce that, and I'm not even going to try. Delicious. Once again from the Body Shop. I also got a juicy pear hand cream. I know I keep saying everything's my favourite scent, but my mum knows me really well. Pears are actually my favourite fruit. Such an underrated fruit. Get on it if you're sleeping on it. And then I also got a Youth Concentrate sheet mask. So it's the Drops of Youth sheet mask. And then I also got a lipstick and a concealer from the Body Shop. So thank you so much, Mum and Dad, for all of that. Honestly, really didn't need to. I'm at that age where I don't care about presents. Like, I know I'm getting old because I don't need anything. Right, next thing I got was also from my mum and dad, and they got me the Daisy Love perfume. Such a gorgeous scent. The bottle is so beautiful. I like sweet, fresh scents. Like, when I have a perfume, I want to smell really feminine. I want to smell like a sweet shop. You know what I mean? Oh, and this just does exactly that. Apparently they said they walked into the perfume shop and they were like, what's sweet? So thank you so much. I love this so much. And then from my boyfriend's parents, again, I got a geranium and orange hand cream from Neal's Yard. Neal's Yard is such a lovely, lovely brand. They also got me a couple of little Christmas decorations, but they're actually downstairs. I got like a cute little dog that I actually, I like cocked its leg up on some plants because it looked like it was having a wee, and I thought it was quite funny. And then I also got a lovely £20, I feel weird showing a check. I also got a £20 check from, well, they're not my auntie and uncle. Because fun fact, I don't actually really have any cousins. From my mum's auntie and uncle, so I guess my second auntie and uncle. So thank you so much, Auntie Pat and Uncle Rob, if you might be watching this. Doubt they would be. I'm gonna show this, even though like I know it's kind of a weird thing to show, but Lee Stafford sent me a massive box of products kind of in time for Christmas, so I'm gonna pretend it's a Christmas gift. I got this huge box of lovely products. We've got moisture masks, hairbrushes, lift-in spray. This sounds really fun. It's like a kind of texturizing spray, and you guys know I struggle a lot with my hair. I've got very thin hair, so I love anything that will give it a bit of, you know. Coconut heat protection mist, coconut dry shampoo. I might give that to my boyfriend. He like is obsessed with coconut oil in his hair. Hydration mist, shampoo, conditioner, coconut heat protection spray. Oh, I've already said that. Oopsie. Thank you so much, Lee Stafford. I love all this stuff so much. I love trying out different hair care. Everyone gets really triggered when I use a different shampoo, so they're like, so you're lying, you didn't like the one you promoted before. And it's like, well, I do. You're allowed to like more than one thing, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I also got this, the Green Roasting Tin Vegan and Vegetarian One Dish Dinners. I got this from my mum and my dad. If you didn't know, I'm veggie, and all the food I make basically is like big bowls of vegetables with like either corn protein or I would say some sort of grain, but I try to not eat carbs so much because of my PCOS. So they picked this up for me, and it's just got so many lovely meals in it. Like Sweet Dreams are made of greens, asparagus, avocado, tahini. Thank you so much for this. I really want to get into cookbooks more. I never really use cookbooks. I just kind of go along, but then I feel like my meals are really weird. And then I also actually got a lovely cookbook with loads of sort of Asian food from my boyfriend's parents, and that was so lovely. I just can't wait to have loads of cookbooks, so when I move out I'm going to be that woman with like loads of cookbooks on my side. I got my life together with my White Company winter candle, walking around in my PLT pajamas. Okay, that makes me sound not like a gathered woman. The next thing I got was so honestly like one of the nicest presents. My sister got this for me, and if you guys didn't know, I had a beautiful little black lab called Molly, and we lost her in April. I don't want to think about it or I'll start crying. We lost her in April this year, and we all loved her so much. So my sister drew me a lovely little print of Molly and put it in this beautiful frame. I love this so much. Once again, when I move out, not that I'm moving out anytime soon, I can assure you, I will have this in my house, and I just feel like it's really special. Like, I'll keep this forever. I can show my grandkids this. I just love it so much. It's really special, really thoughtful. My sister is doing art at Chelsea, so she's doing fine art. She's amazing at stuff like this, so thank you so much, Anna. That was really thoughtful. Oh, I also, god, I've missed out so much stuff. I'm such an idiot. I also got a lovely pair of sparkly socks from my boyfriend's parents. I love sparkly socks. I actually have like so many pairs of these. I think they're so cute. And then from my mum and my dad, I got this lovely Calvin Klein bra and underwear set. I was actually talking to them the other day about how my Tommy Hilfiger underwear, which is like kind of the thick banded stuff like this, is like my comfiest underwear. Like, if I've got an important day, they're going on. So my mum had that in mind. She was walking around Urban Outfitters, she saw these and she picked them up for me. They're beautiful, kind of corded velvet, and they're like a baby pinky nudie colour, just so lovely. I love these so much. My parents just, they know me so well. And I go to the gym quite a bit. I never really post about it because I don't want to be one of those people who's like, in the gym, I'll be up in the gym just working on my fitness. If you know that song, you are a bloody legend. So they got me this matching Nike set. It's a really cool dark green. So they're these Nike leggings. Ooh, that's fun. And then this matching sort of sports top. It's really cool at the back. I've actually, like, you guys are gonna be laughing at me so much. Like, my whole life I've complained about not having a bum. There's a curve. I mean, it's nothing special, but it's a curve. It's a slight curve. I know. Trust me, I know. I'm just as excited as you guys are. Now, I also got a couple of pairs of lovely earrings from Astrid and Miu. If you guys don't know, Astrid and Miu is a beautiful, gorgeous jewellery brand, but it's a little bit more pricey. I got these beautiful, beautiful little Huggies. I love Huggy earrings. They are just so gorgeous. And then I also got a pair of little silver hoop with like little diamonds on them and then little stars sort of hanging off them. I love them so much, but I think I must have left them downstairs and your girl is on a time push. And last but definitely not least, probably one of the best gifts I received of my life. My lovely boyfriend took me to Prague for my Christmas present, and I just had the nicest time. It was honestly so special. Prague has so quickly become one of my new favorite cities. If you guys get the chance to go, especially at Christmas, I would really recommend it. It didn't feel so touristy as Paris does. I mean, I love Paris, don't get me wrong, but Prague is just really special, and I feel like not enough people talk about it. I loved it so much. I had the best time. I felt really like emotional whilst I was there because I just felt so lucky. But yeah, I hope you guys all had a really lovely Christmas. Please let me know your favorite gifts down below, or just even what you did on the day. Or if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you just had a lovely day with maybe your family, or maybe you've got a day off work anyway. I love you all so much. I'm wishing you all the happiest 2020. Oh my god, that feels so weird to say. I'm wishing you all the happiest 2020. Let's have an amazing year together. Thank you so much all for the opportunities you've all brought me in 2019. It's honestly, career-wise, it's been the best year of my life. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.